Hey fellow beekeeper, just want to give you a quick tutorial on the Dr. Beat. It's how we run Click here for the worship team. And so just wanted to give you a couple things. So first of all, when you go to power it on, if you hold the light button and push power, it will power on with the light, and the light button or the light will stay on continuously. Down in the bottom right, you've got your start stop button. You also have your attack tempo button, and that'll dial you in. You can also move your tempo wheel and you will see that the tempo is changing. A couple different things. Once you have the click going, these sliders all indicate the type of beat. So first you have your accent beat. So that's going to go on the 1 every single time. We usually do not run with the accent beat. The second one is the quarter note, 2, 3, 4. Then you have eighth note if we want to do double time. The next one is a 16th note. We really don't use that one. And then the last one is triplet, and sometimes we'll use that with a 6/8. And then you have the master volume, which we usually keep at full volume there. So usually we'll run double time. And also the voice that we like to use is voice number 1, but just for indication, here's a couple other voices.
One and 2 and 3 and 4.
So we like voice number 1. And then once you have found the voice you like and the tempo you like, you want to store it. So you hit the right button and you'll see up here, memory is flashing. We'll save it to memory slot 1, and then it'll flash really fast and it'll go. And now that's on memory 1. But let's say our second song is at 108. Now what we can do is hit right again. It's flashing, and I'm going to save it to memory 2. So I just move this wheel up to memory 2 and hit right again. It'll flash very fast and it's saved there. Now we can go between our memories by clicking memory. You'll see now the word memory is flashing. We can go to memory 1, and that's our 85 double time. Memory 2 is 108. And then let's say that we want to go even faster. Let's say this other song's at 132, and we'll just leave it at quarter notes. We'll hit right, we'll bump it up to memory slot 3 and hit right. And now we'll go back to 1 is our 85 with quarter and eighth note. Memory 2 is 108 with quarter and eighth note. And memory 3 is 132 at quarter note. That is a tutorial on the Dr. Beat. All the other buttons really are irrelevant for what we're doing here at FOB. But if you have time, go ahead and learn how to use the rest of it. Happy drumming.